has another package. I opened this slightly because I'm also expecting a t-shirt from Shark Robot. Yeah, it's a Project Melody t-shirt. You guessed it, congratulations. Today we have a Makeship plush. This is... Oh, I forgot I ordered this guy. It's the Turnip boy. This guy. Remember him? From the tax fraud game? Ain't he adorable? He's got a little sword on the back. That's cute. He's well-rounded. Okay, I know that was a bad pun. There's, wow, 2,177 made. So a lot of people supported this plush. That's impressive. I love the embroidery on his face. A little blush and a little hashtag. Of course, the sword, I apologize. The sword is sewn on the back, obviously. He's nice. What else can I say about this plush? It's a nice little guy. For a moment I thought I was getting the reprinters, but I think that's not coming out till August. And of course the Gold Time Watcher is not going to release until like much later, because that was just recently funded. But Turnip Boy is out. Here he is. Get a good look at him. There is a little thread there. I could probably cut that off. That's probably not anyone's fault. It's a work of art. And remember, kids, art did nothing wrong. The person committing a crime is the one that did it wrong. A little lesson from yours truly. Don't blame the art, blame yourself. Yeah, blame yourself for all your problems. I guess what I'm trying to say is, if someone commits a crime, don't blame the art that they've, indulged themselves in. Like, what do? Do you lock the gun away, or do you lock the person away? Obviously lock the person away, that's kind of common sense. But people lack common sense nowadays, and I'm preaching that around here. I'm just inserting it as filler because I have no idea what else to say. It has no relevance to this plushie whatsoever. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the necessary nonsense. Yours truly, Gaming to the Hedgehog. God bless. I'll see you in the next video.